Hello guys, welcome to TechCat, and today we will learn how to change password on your Gmail account. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to open the Google and search for gmail.com. Okay, then go to Gmail. You can see I already logged in on my Gmail account. On the right hand side, you can see here is the option settings. Click on that and go to settings. It's loading. Okay, then go to accounts and import option. Here is the option change password. I click on that. Okay, then to continue, firstly verify it's you. Re-enter your password. Okay, then click on next. Then fill the new password. Okay, then confirm new password. Okay, then change password. Your password was changed. You can see here is alert box. Then I click on get started. Then continue to your Google account and Gmail. So now my Gmail password is changed. So friends, I hope you learned how to change your Gmail password. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCat. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.